Hello everyone. In this video we are going to discuss about JEE Main 2020 from the chapter Binomial Theorem and its part 1. So let's start with first question which appeared in 7th January morning, and the question is, if the sum of coefficients of all the even powers in 1 minus x plus x square minus x cube etc. x power 2n into 1 plus x square plus x cube etc. x power 2n is 61, then n is equal to. Options are 30, 32, 28 and 36. Now, look at the given expression and we will substitute the expression, or we will equate the expression as a0 plus a1x plus a2x square etc. And if we put x is equal to 1, then when you simplify the whole LHS, we are getting the value as 1 into 2n plus 1, and the right side will be a0 plus a1 plus a2 plus etc. a to the power or a to n. And if you put x is equal to minus 1, then we get it as 2n plus 1 into 1, and the right side is a0 minus a1 plus a2 etc. a power 2n. Now if we add equation 1 and 2, we get the left hand side as 4n plus 2 and the right hand side as 2 times a0 plus a2 etc., and which is equal to 2 into 61. Therefore 2n plus 1 is 61. So n will be equal to 30. So the answer is option A, which is 30. Let us move on to the next question, which appeared 7th January evening, and the question is, if 36c r plus 1 into k square minus 3 is equal to 35c6 into r, then number of ordered pairs r comma k are, where k belongs to I. Option A 6, option B 2, option C 3 and option D 4. Now we know that NCR can be written as n by r into n minus 1 c r minus 1. That is first term divided by the first term here, and then the c combination will be 1 less. So 36 by r plus 1 into 35 cr into k square minus 3 as it is, and that's equal to 35 c6 into r. Now when you simplify that, so it is k square minus 3, that's equal to r plus 1 by 6, or k square is equal to 3 plus r plus 1 by 6. Now what are the values of r? As we know, k belongs to I. So r can be 5 or 35. We cannot take any other values, because when you take 5, it is 6 by 6, an integer. 35, then it is 36 by 6 plus 3 will be an integer. So we can take only two chances, 5 or 35. Now when r is equal to 5, the value of k is plus r minus 2 by simplifying here. And when r is equal to 35, the value of k is plus r minus 3. So there are 4 such ordered pairs, 5 2, 5 minus 2 and 35 3, 35 minus 3. So option is D, answer is 4. Next question, which appeared in 8th January morning, and the question is, if maximum value of 19 Cp is A, 20 Cq is B, 21 Cr is C, the relation between A, B, C is. 4 options are given. Now we should know this. NCR is maximum at the middle terms. So this is one of the important thing. So A is 19 Cp, the middle term that may be 19C10 or 19C9. B is 20CQ, so the middle term value of Q will be 20C10. And for C, 21CR, which will be 21C10 or 21C11. Therefore, when you take it like this, A by 19C9 is equal to B by 20C10 is equal to C by 21C11. Now, A by 19C9 as it is, B, we will write 20C10 as 20 by 10 into 19C9, and we write 21C11 as 21 by 11 into 20 by 10 into 19C9. When you further simplify it, we get it as A by 1 is equal to B by 2, and that's equal to C by 42 by 11. or A by 11 is equal to B by 22 is equal to C by 42, which is option A. Next question which appeared in 8th January morning, and the question is, the coefficient of x power 4 and x square in the expansion is given is alpha and beta, then alpha minus beta is. Now, when you expand this whole term, what is the answer? It will be 2 times. As you can observe, 1 plus 1 minus. Therefore, we won't get the second terms. They will get cancelled. We have first term, third, fifth, and 7th. Now, what happens? 6c0 x power 6, first term. 6c1 will be cancelled, and we get 6c2 x power 4 into x square minus 1, 6c4 and 6c6. We will be having 4 terms. Now, how to simplify this? We know the values of 6c0 is 1, so it is x power 6. 6c2 is 15. When you simplify this, it is x power 6 minus x power 4. 6c4 is also 15. It is x square into x power 4 minus 2x square plus 1, while expanding x square minus 1 whole square, plus 6c6 is 1, and when you simplify this, we get this value. And when you further simplify, we get the answer as 2 into 32x power 6 minus 48x power 4 plus 18x square minus 1. Therefore, what is alpha? Alpha is nothing but the coefficient of x power 4. So here coefficient of x power 4 is minus 48 into 2, which is minus 96. And beta is coefficient of x square, and that will be 18 2s, that will be 36. We want the value of alpha minus beta. So alpha minus beta will be minus 132, which is option C. So in the next class, we are going to discuss about JEE Main 2020 questions from the chapter Binomial Theorem part 2. We have 4 more questions to discuss in the next class. So please like this video, share with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.